BES4 PowerPack 2 has an auto image tracer that will convert bitmaps, JPEGs, and other image files into artwork. The artwork files can be used with digital cutting machines such as a scan and cut machine and for creating applique embroidery designs. If you have PowerPack 1, you can also convert the artwork files to decorative fills or run stitch embroidery files, as well as save as word collage shapes. Click on the Tools tab and then select the Auto Image Tracer. Press Select Image, choose an image file, and then press Open. Press Next. In this window, you can size the image. Press Next. The color reduction window allows you to increase or reduce the number of colors in the image file. Press Next. If all items traced, press Finished. If they don't, you can adjust the tolerance and update the outlines. The image file will be converted to artwork. The artwork file may be sent to the scan and cut machine or used to create an embroidery design in BES4. For more information about BES4 Dream Edition PowerPack 2 and other Brother products, visit your local authorized Brother dealer.